Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we need to talk about the theories. 13 episodes in the Savadigam Sanson has dropped enough small clues that if you have been watching closely, you have probably noticed the same thing I have. Let's lay them out one at a time and you tell me where you stand. Iset already knows about all of it, about Arakan's real plans, about Dickel's growing influence, about who is the household, has been quietly feeding information back to whom. Iset is not the kind of man who is genuinely outmarketed by his own son. The fact that he sometimes seems surprised in dinner scenes is, in my opinion, a performance inside the performance. He is the letting the rope out so he can pull it tight, tighter later. The real shock will be when he reveals how much he had figured out and how long ago. Kadir Arakan's army friend is going to become more important than the show has hit it so far. Right now, he is positioned as the loyal sidekick, but there is something the writing keeps protecting about his backstory. Watch his face when Wealthy is being discussed. He was feeling about that word that he has not voiced yet. I think Kadir becomes a moral counterweight at exactly the moment Arkan is tempered to compromise, and his arc may end up being one of the most important in the back half of the season. And this is the wild one. There is a sibling secret in the elder family, and that has not been revealed yet. I love that never finished a child. No one talk about a sibling who is not actually a full sibling. Something I do not know which it is, but I know the show keeps glancing at it and looking away, which is exactly what television writers do before they finally swing. Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates related to Savadigam Sanson series.